to make the compost bin. 4 screws, 2 pellets, 2 2x4s. Basically, here's the good stuff I was talking about. Alright, so this is on the bottom. And then look at this. Now, something shell in there. Scoop it a little bit. And then somebody can use this some compost in there.
A little bit.
And we can make layers of it. So, when you guys can go ahead and do the compost, and when you guys can go ahead and and we're gonna make like a lasagna type deal here. This is another way I like to do this is use blood meal. I'll put 2 cups of blood meal in a 5-gallon bucket and I'll let it soak overnight.